So you are thinking about doing your medical PG abroad, right? What if I told you Australia could offer you world-class training, great pay, and even a pathway to permanent residency? Yes, you heard it right. Hey there, welcome back to MedPrep by Academically, your one-stop channel for everything about medical careers abroad. Today, let's talk about medical PG in Australia. How to do it, why it is worth, and what steps you need to follow to make it happen. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Okay, let's start with an obvious question. Why Australia? Well, first of all, there is no NEET PG style in entrance exam. You don't need a high rank or a government quota. Instead, you will just need to clear the AMC exam. More on that in a minute. Second, there is a less competition compared to India. Once you pass the exam, you can directly start applying for PG training or hospital-based roles. Third, and this is the big one, work-life balance. In Australia, doctors have fixed shifts, proper breaks, and a good personal life. No more 36-hour calls, plus the medical training is top-notch. The facilities are modern and the degree is recognized internationally in places like UK, New Zealand, and Canada. And yes, the salary during the PG is great, and the whole pathway even boosts your chances of getting permanent residency. Not bad, right? Now the main question, how to do medical PG in Australia? Let's break it down simply. Step 1, AMC Portfolio. You start by creating a profile with the Australian Medical Council, upload your MBBS degree and documents. They'll be verified through something called EPIC. Step 2, English test. You'll need to prove your English skills. You can take IELTS, OET or PTE, just meet the required scores. Step 3, AMC exam. There are two main exams, AMC Part 1, it's an MCQ test, 150 question, 3.5 hours. AMC Part 2, the clinical exam, or you can go for a workplace-based assessment at an approved hospital instead. Step 4, apply for a PG training. Once you pass, you can apply for PG residency programs, submit your scores, attend interviews, and meet your specific university or hospital requirements. And guess what? You'll get paid during residency. No tuition fees like traditional PG courses. Now let's see top universities offering PG. University of Melbourne, University of Sydney, University of Queensland, University of New South Wales. So, is medical PG in Australia worth it? 100% yes. You can get quality training, global recognition, high income, and even a shot at permanent residency. If you are serious about this journey and need help with AMC exam or other application process, Academically is here to help. Drop your question in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.